Oh, so this is computer graphics final demonstration. This is the basic features. So as you can see, there are a lot of models loaded into the scene. For example, those snowmans loaded using Asimp. Also this house. As you can see, there's also a camera implemented. Can move left, right, up, down, and you can look around as well. Here you can also see each snowman has a hierarchical animation on its head, so it's kind of shaking its head smoothly, left to right, right to left. And here you can also see texture mapping, some texture mapping here. So this terrain is texture mapped against image. Also this snowman, as you can see, different part has different colors. This is done by mapping a texture image pixel to the model's pixel. Finally, the feature is Feng illumination model. As you can see, here are 4 light sources. Those light sources have different colors, which means if you have a yellow color light, it should reflect yellow, and etc. And I also have a spotlight, which is kind of at the position of the camera. So this is kind of like assuming the character is having a torch with him. And apart from that, there's also a directional light that always shines to a scene, which kind of acts like the sun. So you can also see that those snowmans are with different materials. For example, this one is kind of metallic but a bit of rusty. This one is wood. If you look at this metallic one, if it moves towards this purple light source, it becomes totally purple. If it moves back to the green one, it becomes greenish. However, if you look at this one, it moves towards this purple light. It takes in less purple than this one does due to the different material properties. Finally, the calculation of the normal is as follow. And so basically, it takes in the asimps. So asimps gives the normal of each model to the program, and then it's sent to the vertex shader. The vertex shader calculates the space normal, and then it's sent to the fragment shader, with the fragment shader calculating the actual normal. Okay, and I also want to talk about how to determine the color of each pixel of the snowman. So the color is determined by each lights. So all of the lights, the point light, source, the point light, spotlight, directional, all those lights, ambient, diffuse, and so each of those light has a ambient, diffuse, and specular, and each of those light sources, ambient, diffuse, and specular combined, determines the color of each pixel of the snowman. And yeah, and that's all the demonstration for the basic features.